So right now, let's go ahead and let me take you how to install or import the starter template. So here you're on the theme appearance. Scroll down to the bottom here. You can see this little starter templates. Click on it, but you can also access it from here, from appearance directly. Now, if you scroll down here, click on build your website now. We're using Elementor, so select Elementor. Now, if you're using Beaver Builder or Block Editor, you can do that as well, or check that box. And over here, this is the website that we're going to be modeling after. I like this outdoor adventure, and so I'm going to click on it, right? So click, and here they're going to prompt you to add your logo and a bunch of other stuff. So just click skip and continue. Now over here, you can change your typography and colors and all of that stuff. Now we're not going to do it from here. So just scroll to the bottom here, click on continue. Now over here, you can tell them a bit about yourself. So add your name, your work email, and why you're building this website. Scroll to the bottom here and click submit and build my website. And so right now, the demo website is going to get imported, and just wait until this is 100%. Okay, so right now we're done, 100%, and boom, congratulations. So right now, let me go ahead and view my website. Of course, let me close this window down. And so this is how the website looks like. You can see it looks pretty good already. We have the menu, we have everything. Well, basically, we're going to edit that stuff, but you can see that it doesn't really look that bad, doesn't it? So all we'll have to do is to adjust it and make it look same as this one. You can see it's already has some touches of this, but we can make it similar or even better, right? So let us go back. And so let me go right now and take you through how to edit the header of your website.